नमस्कार। फासला नजरों का धोखा भी तो हो सकता है, फासला नजरों का धोखा भी तो हो सकता है। चांद जब चमके जरा हाथ बढ़ाकर देखो। आपके और हमारे बीच में फासला ज्यादा नहीं है, बहुत ही नजदीक है हम आपके, बस एक टीवी सेट की दूरी है। गुड इवनिंग इंडिया, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम। मैं हूं जयश्री सेठी। इस शो में जब हम आपसे मिलते हैं, सोमवार से शुक्रवार मिलते हैं और मंगलवार भी जैसे आज के दिन मिले हैं, तो हमारी कोशिश रहती है कि आपको मिलवाएं ऐसे लोगों से जिनकी सोच नहीं है और जो कुछ बदलाव लाने की कोशिश करते हैं। और इसी श्रृंखला में आज दो खास मेहमान हमारे साथ हैं जो उस पीढ़ी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, जो उन लोगों के लिए काम कर रहे हैं जिन्हें आप ग्रे पॉपुलेशन या सिल्वर पॉपुलेशन कहते हैं। आपके दादा दादी, नाना नानी, बुजुर्ग, सीनियर सिटीजन। हम टेलीविजन खोलकर देखते हैं, चॉकलेट्स के ऐड आते हैं, ग्लैमर से भरा हुआ होता है सारा। आज के आसपास आप जितना भी देख लीजिए, यूथ पर फोकस किया जाता है। पर हमारे देश की एक बड़ी पॉपुलेशन ऐसे लोगों की है जो कि बुजुर्ग हैं, और काफी बुजुर्ग ऐसे हैं जिनके पास साधनों की कमी है, गरीब हैं, या जिन्हें दुत्कार दिया गया है। ऐसे लोगों के लिए क्या एक संस्था है, हेल्पेज इंडिया, जिसने कल 35 साल पूरे किए हैं। ये किस तरीके से बुजुर्गों तक पहुंचती है, उन्हें क्या क्या सुविधाएं मुहैया कराती है, उनके राइट्स को कैसे आवाज देती है, क्यों ना इस पे बात करें। हमारे साथ है मंजिरा खुराना, कंट्री हेड हेल्पेज इंडिया, और आपके साथ हैं ज्योति कुमार शर्मा, कम्युनिकेशन कंसल्टेंट हेल्पेज इंडिया। आप दोनों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू द शो।
थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग अस।
Thank you, Jayashree. Thank you.
Manjira, as we were just talking before the show started, that there's almost 1 million population of elderly people in our country, and we have got Helpage India. तो Helpage India उन लोगों तक किस तरीके से पहुंचती है, क्या करती है उनके लिए?
जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला, टुडे मोर एंड मोर इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन ग्रे होती जा रही है, मीनिंग द नंबर ऑफ एल्डर्स इज जस्ट इंक्रीजिंग. Helpage India reaches only 1 million population every year.
Okay.
But the number of elders is 100 million.
That's a big number.
That's a really big number. Come 2030, there'll be 200 million.
Wow.
It is frightening.
Yeah.
It is frightening because the society, all of us, maybe even the government, is not paying it enough attention. Helpage तो बहुत थोड़ा काम कर सकती है. Yes, we have completed 35 years. Yes, we have come a long way, but we still don't know too much.
Yeah.
There is much more to be done.
Sure. So, Mr. Jyoti, how do you reach out to people? What actually Helpage India does? What are the initiatives?
Our programs are many, and we really go all across India. We touch almost 90 districts of India, and we, like Manjira just said, we cover 1 million people. And these programs are the ones that go out into the villages, are the ones that really make an impact in the lives of the disadvantaged elders. These provide medical treatment, they provide physiotherapy, they provide employment generation schemes. So there is a whole range of schemes like this, and some of the schemes which are really make a big difference is one particular program I'd like to mention is the Support a Grant, where the individual donors can contribute to the welfare and the upkeep of a destitute elder through the year.
Now, how does it happen? Because adopting a child or sponsoring a child is very popular. Like you pay a certain amount 1 year, and the child is taken care of. How does it happen with elderly people? How do you do that?
Well, this program basically you will not get an elder by name to adopt, so to say,
Okay.
but you can support a whole group of elders by donating, so to say, in the name of one person. So that person then gets basic rations, some amount of clothing according to the seasons, winter or summer, and some amount, you will be surprised that they even get some amount of cash money.
Okay.
So that actually, what is the main idea behind this is to make them independent. So they are not dependent on relatives or family or a thing. They can live an independent life, and that helps them to get the dignity back. They say very often, I am no longer dependent on people. Now I am like an earning member because I actually bring food home.
Yeah.
So the status in the family changes. Their children, in-laws, everyone looks at them very differently, and we are very proud of this program. And it's been one of our oldest programs.
Yeah. Manjari,
Just to give you examples,
Yeah.
like a brochure this year, for instance, this is one of our Support a Grant recipients.
Okay.
So when we interviewed her, She said that for the last 10 years, Helpage has been giving me rations. The fact that you have allowed me to live this life of dignity. She lives with a family. She says, मेरे को इज्जत मिलती है क्योंकि मैं घर खाना लाती हूँ. There are so many cases where the daughter-in-laws would not give them enough to eat. From the time they come under the supporter grant, they actually physically carry the ration, atta, dal, chawal, soap, whatever. But the rest of the family suddenly starts treating them differently. A little bit of pocket money means वो grandchild को एक आइसक्रीम खिला देती है. It makes a difference.
और अगर हम हिंदुस्तान की बात करें, जब एक व्यक्ति 60 साल की उम्र तक पहुंचता है, रिटायरमेंट लेता है, तो इतना मालूम है घर में एक कमरा मिल जाएगा जिसमें शायद टीवी भी लगा होगा, सुविधाएं होंगी और शायद आके ग्रैंड चाइल्ड दिन में एक बार बात कर जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर एक फीलिंग आ जाती है शायद कि यस, आई एम स्टिल ऑफ सम यूज, आई एम नॉट डिस्कार्डेड, आई एम नॉट kept in a corner as a piece of furniture. So that's a beautiful thought. So talking about your programs, how did Helpage India start? When did it start? 1978, right?
1978. It started as a small little dream. There was a man who wanted, called Samson Daniel.
Okay.
He was building a old age home in Deir Sarai, in Delhi. उसने 3 कमरे डाले, चौथे के लिए पैसा नहीं था. फर्स्ट फ्लोर बनाना चाहता था, पैसा नहीं था. What to do? He looked around and he heard of other charities, UK charities. He went to one of the UK charities, the chief executive, and he said, give me money. He said, no, I'm not going to give you money. Same adage, don't give the man a fish, teach him how to fish. He said, I'll teach you how to fundraise. And then came a unique initiative. He said, okay, make the youth your partner, go to schools, make the school children walk. So soon it started in 1978 that Helpage started going to schools and telling the children, okay, why don't you walk and let people sponsor the walk? And it became so popular that in all the big schools in all the big cities, children were walking and they were being sponsored. Like a parent would give money, maybe a corporate would give money, and that money collected would then run the programs. That's how it started.
And talking about old age homes, yes, इंडिया में ओल्ड एज होम्स को लेके एक बहुत ही स्ट्रेंज कॉन्सेप्ट है. दे से और चिल्ड्रन डिस्कार्डेड देम, दे थ्रू देम आउट ऑफ द हाउस एंड दे हैव नो वेयर टू गो. Whereas in West, there are special colonies, apartments, which are fully equipped, made in a way where their life is made easy and they have company. So do you think the concept, the thought is changing in India as well about old age homes?
The way we look at old age homes are very different from there, because here our need is very different. There a person grows old and there's no one to look after him, but the person is well off enough to be able to afford to pay for an old age home for his stay. In India that's not the case. The people who are really destitute, who have no place to go, who if you didn't take him to an old age home would be out on the streets. So our programs help and support organizations that look after these kind of elders, the destitute elders who have no place to go. Today, what you talk about, the trend that is there already in the West, is also slowly starting in India. In fact, one of the schemes that Helpage is looking at is called assisted living.
Okay.
Now, there, people like us who could say that we want to live independent of our children, we want to have all things provided for, and so therefore there'll be doctors, nurses, everyone to take care of us, and so they buy. It's like buying a flat, only this flat is tailored to senior citizen needs. That is assisted living, which is a concept which will catch on sooner or later, and I think 2 or 3 organizations have already started. Helpage has also started that initiative, because in the case of Helpage there is no profit to make. In the other organizations, just like any other builder, there would be a profit part to it. So we are just starting that initiative. Hopefully that will again take off in the days to come. So that's a basic distinction between the 2 groups. Because elder groups have different needs. The well-off have different needs, and Ones that are totally helpless, have different
Talking
needs.
about those who are helpless, destitute, और they are in remote areas. तो कैसे पहुंचते हैं मंजिरा आप उन लोगों तक जो कि गांवों में हैं, कस्बों में हैं, कबीला इलाकों में हैं, जहां पर यातायात की सारी सुविधाएं नहीं है? सो हाउ डू यू रीच देम?
हेल्पेज ने देखा कि सबसे पहली रिक्वायरमेंट है मेडिकल हेल्प.
राइट.
Most of the remote places, there are no hospitals. I mean, secondary hospitals तो छोड़िए, primary care भी नहीं है. अगर कोई सरकारी अस्पताल है, more than often not, it won't have doctors. More than often not, there will not be any, what should I say?
So these are the vans?
Yeah, so we have started this concept of mobile medical units.
Okay.
These mobile medical units, as you see on the screen in front, these are vans come ambulances which are fully equipped.
Okay.
Now these go out to all remote areas. In 22 states, these fan out to remote districts. And हर वैन में एक डॉक्टर होगा, एक फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, one paramedic, a nurse, a social worker for counseling, and of course the driver who does multiple chores. So the typical way it works is Monday to Friday. Every day it will go and stand at a different location.
Okay.
It's predetermined. तो लोगों को पता है कि आज वैन जाके लखीमपुर पे खड़ी होगी, आज वैन जाके अगले डिस्ट्रिक्ट पे खड़ी होगी, and on Saturdays it goes and makes home visits if somebody is too ill to come. And also in between also, supposing somebody has to be transported, emergency transportation to a hospital, referral भी करते हैं और लेके भी जाते हैं. Now the way it works is the mobile units, it's an expensive proposition. जो बड़े बड़े corporates होते हैं वो support करते हैं. They will fund a mobile unit. We keep reaching out to more and more people and saying fund a mobile unit. One mobile unit helps thousands of people. Every year we have today 83 mobile medical units, and we are able to reach 1.7 million people.
That's nice. That's a
Through
good
it.
number. Yeah.
Okay, that is 1.7 million treatments. So there are people who will get maybe repeat treatments, but it is still too little. I mean, our dream is that in the next 2 or 3 years we should be able to reach all the 621 districts of India.
पर अभी तो आप 24 states में तो हैं ना अभी?
जी.
And cataract is another milestone which
Yes, because you know the situation about cataract is that when the old and the helpless lose their eyesight, they lose their ability to earn an income. Once they lose that ability to earn an income, they actually become poorer than what they were. So it is very essential that they have an income. And we, by restoring eyesight through cataract surgeries, which are given free of cost they perform, and when these people recover their eyesight, not only can they now see better, but they can also carry on earning. So therefore they do not become dependent on anyone. Now they've got the livelihood back, they've got the dignity back, they work longer, because 90% of India's elderly have to earn to survive, even today. So cataract surgery is a very important step in that. And we do about 25,000 cataract surgeries free of cost every year.
Wow.
Across India.
So आपने कॉर्पोरेट से आपने कहा कि आप फंड रेज करते हैं, आप उसके अलावा और कहाँ से फंड रेज करते हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम दोस कॉर्पोरेट्स?
You'd be surprised. Helpage एक ऐसी संस्था है where the individual donor, just 1 year ago, the scheme is very simple. अगर आप बुजुर्ग हैं, we'll issue you a card free of charge, no joining fee, no recurring fee. That card entitles you to discounts. We are simultaneously asking companies, large companies, MNCs, small chemist shops, whoever, to join us and give a discount to our members.
जैसे आपके कॉर्पोरेट में मील वाउचर्स होते हैं,
बिल्कुल
जिसे वो रिडीम कर सकते हैं एम्प्लॉइज जाकर कहीं.
It can be simply something like a chemist saying, okay, I'll give 10% discount. It can be simply a path lab saying, okay, आपके member को हम 15% discount दे देंगे. Funnily, we have even interesting people like a dance studio, which says, okay, if a senior comes, हम उसको free dance lessons दे देंगे. Let him come and learn tango.
Why not?
So exactly. So That is one. He gets a discount. Then we encourage the Advantage Card members कि आप खुद आपस में मिलो, आप खुद जुड़ो. So you form a little group. Let the Advantage Card members meet once a week, once a month, have coffee, talk about each other's problems. That is also one way of reducing loneliness.
Sure.
And pushing seniors to get computer literate. Pushing them that come to the website, go to our Facebook. There are interesting things which are posted. Look at it.
क्योंकि एक इस उम्र में आकर एक चीज खास करके टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ हो जाती है. आई हैव सीन एल्डरली पीपल हैविंग अ टफ टाइम यूजिंग अ मोबाइल. कंप्यूटर की बात तो फिर भी थोड़ा सा दूर हो जाती है. एंड यू स्पोक अबाउट लोनलीनेस. Helpage India has started a new program called Hug. So I would like Mr. Jyoti to throw more light on that.
This is, you know, the idea is very simple. Because what does it take? It takes, just go up to someone, introduce yourself to that someone. That person could be in the family, could be your neighbor, could be someone that you know or have seen. Just go and say, from today, I am your friend. Here is my phone number. Please call me anytime that you want. You want to have a chat, you want me to come across and help you in any way, I'm there for you. The words that I'm there for you is very significant and very important.
पर हम उसी का शायद
बिल्कुल.
Hug Unite Generation.
Yes, there is a volunteer. No, just hugging. And there is a scientific evidence to show that if you hug a person 5 times in a day, you achieve happiness. A person or 5 persons in a day. Take your choice. So, I mean, just a hug is symbolic way of saying that I care for you. And one of the things that an elder misses most is not only the voice of a young person, but the touch of a young person. Because that person wants to belong. And, you know, once there's someone belongs and gives you a hug, the emotional satisfaction that a person gets that, yes, someone cares for me, is enormous. And this Hug campaign, which is just launched yesterday, Hug stands for Help Unite Generations. We are hoping that in the years to come, we will achieve 1 million volunteers who will sign up for this program of ours. They don't have to do anything else. Just keep in touch with one elderly that you know, that's close to you, and be a friend. That's all we are saying.
So it's like bridging generation gap.
It is.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
पर हम youngsters की बात करते हैं, they have an excuse, time नहीं है, they're too busy.
उसीलिए तो this is so easy. We are not saying you volunteer in the normal sense. Otherwise NGO क्या बोलेगी? आप हर हफ्ते 3 घंटे के लिए आओ, आप जाके किसी एल्डर को खाना खिलाओ, आप जाके किसी ब्लाइंड पर्सन को पढ़ दो. We are saying no, let's make it very easy. Start with one contact. एक फोन तो मार सकते हो. When you are driving from office to home, give a call. It doesn't have to be every day. You call a person twice, thrice, automatically a bond
create हो
जाता है. What, once in 3 months, maybe you can have a coffee. Let it just register in your consciousness, and when the elder calls the young person becomes aware. Otherwise, कौन सोचता है? When we are young, do we really think what our grandmother is feeling, or what our uncle is feeling, or what that lonely neighbor in the next house is feeling? So many times we drive by, वरांडे में एक बेचारा अकेले elder बैठे होते हैं. We don't stop and talk. So this is just a campaign to sensitize. 1 million we are hoping to reach. Today, Jyoti spoke in a radio program on Radio 1. He was just talking about this. He would have got at least 50 to 100 volunteers who were ringing up and giving their names. That's how a movement begins.
Yeah, and it's very simple. All you have to do is to send us an email at HUG, that's hug, at helpageindia.org. Send us an email. You can volunteer for this. We'll tell you what this program is all about
and how they can go about it.
We have big things in mind for you also. We'll invite you to music festivals. You can become the part of a larger community. And the initial few founder members of this 1 million club get a nice little band, a bracelet. Do we call that a bracelet?
Yeah.
Okay, a band, a hug band, which you can show to your friends and say that, look, I have this. Do you have one?
I'm trying to make it cool.
Absolutely. Yeah, why not?
जब हम लोनलीनेस की बात करते हैं, इवन आजकल के जो यंगस्टर्स हैं, पीपल हु आर वर्किंग इन कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर, इवन दे आर लोनली. लोनलीनेस आजकल हर एक की जिंदगी का एक कहीं ना कहीं हिस्सा बन गई. यस, वी हैव गॉट गैजेट्स, वी हैव फ्रेंड्स ऑफ गुड टाइम विद अस. सो कहीं ना कहीं यंगस्टर्स के लिए भी एक चीज है कि इवन दे गेट अ फ्रेंड. They might be not even they also get a friend.
But there is that's a very important point that you raised about the young also getting lonely. And you know what we do is that because we have our headphones on, because we're constantly looking at our mobiles, so we are telling people around us, don't talk to me.
Yeah.
I'm busy.
Right.
I'm looking at my phone. I'm listening to something. Don't disturb me.
Yeah.
So what we are doing is we are shutting out the world. It is, and so therefore, as we go inside, we become more and more lonely because that's all we have is us. No one else.
Yeah.
So take off your headphones, put your cell phone in your pocket, look around, you will find friends everywhere.
Totally.
And you will no longer be lonely.
Yes, and talking about elderly people, if they don't get a young friend, you guys have a helpline too, right?
We have a helpline.
Yes.
We have a helpline number. And this helpline is a very essential. Yeah, the numbers are there on the screen. We have this one number which goes across 15 states. There is another number which goes across 4 of the eastern states.
And they're toll-free numbers.
They're toll-free numbers. Anyone can call them in. These are big help in at least 2 or 3 specific areas. One, when an elder wants help, medical help, emergency help. 2, when elder is found on the streets and the person cannot recall where he has come from. There is a person who is in a bus but doesn't know where he is going because he's lost his memory.
Right.
The person next to him or her can call up this helpline. Our helpline will make sure that this person gets the attention that he or she needs. There is one service. The medical service is another one. There is a third aspect which is very disturbing in our society, which is called elder abuse.
Yeah.
In which case, in these cases, not people from outside, but people from within the family abuse the elder. Physically also, there are cases. Now, in these cases, elders don't like to go to the police station.
Yeah.
Because they can't shame their own family members. They can call a helpline, our helpline. And there will be a counselor to talk to that person,
Yes.
understand that person's problem and show him or her the way out.
Screen पर जैसे देख रहे हैं कि there's this elderly person on road, I think.
Yes. Now this is one case where this person is lost, cannot remember anything. He doesn't know where he's come from or where he wanted to go. Or he's sometimes too sick to get up and go to a hospital.
So our counselor जो भी helpline attend कर रहा है would go across, try and help. In the previous case, for instance, they coordinate with the police also
अच्छा.
कि उसको missing person registry में तो नहीं है वो. And in both the cases that you saw on screen, in both the cases, because we couldn't trace anybody in the family, both of them are now in old people's home, which HelpAge supports. We support about 60 old people's home across India, and we come out with a directory. Each city we have a directory of old age homes which we distribute to the senior citizen associations, to others, that where if you have such a case,
Sure.
you can refer them.
So ऐसा भी कई बार होता है कि डिजास्टर है, कहीं कुछ क्राइसिस है, प्रॉब्लम, तो ऐसे में भी क्या हेल्पेज इंडिया एल्डरली तक पहुंचता है,
बिल्कुल.
जो लोग उससे हिट होते हैं.
You know, one of the reasons that HelpAge got into disaster mitigation was it was found that कभी भी disaster होता है ना, the elder is what we call last in line and lost. वो धक्का मुक्की में in trying to get to rations, everything, the elder cannot reach. So
ये कहाँ की तस्वीर है इस वक्त?
ये श्रीनगर में है.
अच्छा.
Srinagar and Leh में. I mean, we were very active when in Srinagar there were earthquakes, in Leh when there were flash floods. जब tsunami हुई थी, at that time HelpAge was very active in rehabilitating them. In fact, one of the largest old age homes which HelpAge themselves constructed is a place called TV.
Okay.
It is the Tamarakam Elders Village,
Okay.
which is in Kudalur. Now, after the disaster, HelpAge found that you can't walk away. You were giving relief to elders. You can't suddenly say, ठीक है, हमने इतना कर लिया आपके लिए, no more. So we said, okay, let's look at how we can rehabilitate them. So there was an old age home constructed, and you know how funded? Funded by NDTV viewers. The viewers of NDTV gave money. We raised an appeal through them, and it's a full village built where 100 elders live. There is income generation. We have taught them how to make their own, generate income. There are elder self-help groups where home ke members, they communicate with the villages nearby. They make groups. There's a community kitchen, there's a community infirmary. The elders from the villages around come there for meetings. It is so heartwarming. There are all those people who today are living rich, productive lives.
यानी कि ये कहना बेकार है कि लोगों का दिल पत्थर का हो गया है. अगर उन्हें दिशा दिखाई जाए, if you show them a direction, they actually participate, they want to do something. ऐसा नहीं है. थोड़ी देर पहले हमने बात की सपोर्ट अ ग्रैंड की हम बात कर रहे थे. नाउ वी आर ऑन नेशनल टेलीविजन, पीपल आर वाचिंग अस, एंड वुड यू नॉट लाइक that audience, young audience who are watching this program, how can they enroll themselves for that program, Support a Grant, Mr. Jyoti?
A Support a Grant is not something where a volunteer can enroll for. The way the Support a Grant program runs, as I explained earlier, is that you can donate towards that particular program, and an amount of about 1,000 rupees a year. It can help you donate one, this particular, as you can see, food rations, basically, the basic rations, clothes.
So, उसके लिए if somebody wants to approach Helpage India, so they go on your website?
They just go on the website, you go to www.helpageindia.org.
Right.
On the first page itself, there is a donate button. You press the donate button, you can get the options. You want to support a particular program, support it. You want to just give 100 rupees for no cause, give it. Is the simplest thing to do. There is, and we accept donations for 100 rupees. These are school children which right from 1978
का जो आपने जिक्र किया था कि जब शुरुआत हुई थी.
These people, when they would walk, they would raise 10 rupees from somebody, 100 rupees from somebody. Maybe a parent would give 100 rupees, maybe a bystander would give 10 rupees, and it all goes to the elder cause.
बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है.
बिल्कुल.
अब जैसे आप प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत में हमने कहा कि तकरीबन 100 million elderly people we have in our country, and Helpage India is one organization which is reaching about 1 million elderly.
So that's just 1%.
Just 1%. So don't you think we should have more and more such organization and more people coming forward for this cause?
Of course. देखिए, physical help एक हद तक हो सकती है. When Helpage began,
right,
it was very new. The concept कि family के बाहर कोई elder को support करेगा was a very new concept. Everybody in India thought कि बुजुर्ग को तो family ही look after करेगी.
जिम्मेदारी है.
State भी कुछ नहीं करेगी. It's not the responsibility of the government, nor is it anybody else's responsibility to look after them. Now, that's when Helpage started with what is called basic welfare. The Support a Grant program.
Yeah.
Then we moved on to what we call development and programs, where income generation comes in, better and better regular health checkups come in. Then we realized, again, one NGO alone cannot do so. We have to be the catalyst. We have to be the catalyst for change.
Yes.
So today, one of the most important things that we are doing is advocacy. We are working with the government. We have been pushing the government to first formulate and adopt something called the NPOP, which is the National Policy on Older Persons. एक पॉलिसी बनी थी, वो 11 साल से अडॉप्ट नहीं हुई थी. In 2011 again, there was a committee formed, of which Helpage was also a part in writing the revised draft of the policy. So we hope that the national policy, now it's called the National Policy on Senior Citizens, we hope that that will come. That at least looks at guaranteeing some basic rights. We are asking for some kind of a universal health insurance.
तो यानी कि आपके जो इनिशिएटिव्स हैं, आपके जो आगे आने वाले इरादे हैं, वो बहुत ही पॉजिटिव हैं, स्ट्रांग हैं, और दूरदर्शन की तरफ से, हमारी तरफ से आपको शुभकामनाएं हैं, हमारी बेस्ट विशेस हैं कि यू गेट सक्सेस इन योर एंडेवर्स एंड यू रीच आउट टू मोर एंड मोर पीपल, नॉट ओनली elderly but also young people. Thank you, Manjira. Thank you
so much.
Thank you so much. Thank
Great
you
fun
for
talking
having
to
us.
you.
Thank you.